I will throw the question back to those in the House saying na bakit siya ayaw humarap. Luistro, bakit yung asawa mo nung na-accuse ng rape, di mo pinaharap, tinago mo, inamin mo di ba? Oh, number one. Number two, Dilima, nung ikaw ay iniimbestigahan ng House Committee doon sa so-called believed drug trade, di ka rin humarap. Oh, we respected that. Kami ang complainants doon. Bakit ngayon you turn around and say, dapat it should be taken against the Vice President? Hindi humaharap si VP dahil nakita na niya doon sa Quadcom that she is just legitimizing the proceedings. Number two, she now has a pending petition before the Supreme Court questioning the very proceedings na sinasabing ayaw niyang humarap. By going there, it may be interpreted as tantamount to a waiver of her causes of action before the Supreme Court. So that is the short answer. Very logical. She's well within her rights. There is a pending case at ayaw niyang paggamit sa mga, ikaw na rin na nagsabi ng term, ayaw magpagamit sa mga clowns, di ba? Sabi nga nila, di ba, when a clown becomes president, the clown does not become presidential. The palace becomes a circus.